How to quickly verify skincare products to avoid flare-ups. Today, I'll show you the Skin Deep app, a free database that provides ratings for personal care products. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of finding cosmetics that are free of harmful chemicals. To begin, let's visit their website's homepage at ewg.org/skindeep. Once you're there, you can easily search for your desired item. Let's take a look at just one product together. Here on the product description page, you'll find all the necessary details about the product, including its overall score ratings for common concerns like cancer, allergies, and usage restrictions. Curious about how the scoring system works? There are 3 different categories, marked with different colors. EWG verified products are marked safe. Products with scores up to 2 are green for low hazards. Scores ranging from 3 to 6 indicate a moderate risk. And red-marked ones with scores from 7 to 10 contain the most hazardous ingredients. Now let's go back to the product page. Here, you'll find information about the ingredients listed on the label. But there's much more to explore. In the Ingredients tab, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the ingredients. Each of them is also rated. They also indicate the level of data availability. Let's say you want to know more about methylparaben. Simply click on the plus icon to expand the tab. Here, you'll discover detailed information about methylparaben, including its functions and any potential concerns. To delve deeper, click on the Learn More about this ingredient button. You'll gain access to further details, such as its chemical composition, additional concerns, and synonyms. If you're curious about products containing this ingredient, simply expand the Brands tab. Looking to explore products within a specific category? Hover over Find Products and Ingredients and select your desired category, such as shampoos. A list of shampoo products will appear. Click on the plus icon next to the brand to explore all available brands related to shampoo products. This app also allows you to search by ingredient name. Simply use the search bar to find information on any specific ingredient you're curious about. It's an excellent way to gain insight into the products before buying them. And that concludes our guide. Now, you have the tools to make decisions without worrying about potential allergic reactions.